Hey, doing some work in the shop here. I just want to give a tour of it because a lot of people have seen me working there but haven't seen a tour yet. So here it is behind me, and if I flip around, you can see, yes, I know there is a tree in front of one of the doors. Just couldn't bring myself to cut it down yet. Alright, so it's 30 by 50. Like any shop, it's always too small. So show some of our projects we're working on. The main project's right here. It's my daughter's 96 Mustang GT. We're getting ready to paint it, so finishing up on some body work today. And also getting a temporary booth set up. And then we will shoot some sealer, hopefully maybe tonight or tomorrow. A Bronco, 1970 Bronco, the 5.0 in it. It was built for rock crawling, did some bunch of body work on it. The thing was rusted out really bad, so it's looking pretty good. I just need to finish it. Unfortunately, it's been in the works for a long time. So there's the 96 Mustang. This lift is it is absolutely my favorite thing in the shop. Been on the ground way too much in my life. I started to feel it. It's glad to have it. Great wife has supported me in getting the shop ready and getting the lift up. Workbench, got a bunch of parts on there, stuff for getting rid of sand. Gotta have my monster. There's my Mustang, 69 Fastback. It has a 429 on it in it. So yeah, it's I built the 429 when I was 21, maybe 22, and I've had it since then. It was daily driver for several years, and then it's just kind of sat since then, but it still starts up and runs. So these are the two big main bays. Got a pallet rack on Facebook Marketplace for, I think it was $150, so it's a pretty good deal. What I have going on over here is where I'm putting up the temporary paint booth. Hopefully in the next couple of years it'll be a permanent paint booth with storage on top, a loft on top, but trying to get ready with minimal amount of money to get it ready for paint for my daughter's car. So you can see I have two walls or a roof and one wall of plastic. I'm going to put the other two walls in plastic, put an exhaust fan and intake fan, and then hopefully keep most of the dust out and be able to paint without too many issues. And then over here is kind of just we've thrown a lot of crap, or I've thrown a lot of crap in here, but this is where the mower and stuff goes. I have another door over here. So yeah, so we can get the mower in and out without contaminating the rest of the shop. Right now, loft only has gone that far. I need to get some more steel and create my support all the way out. Just haven't gotten to it. The paint booth's kind of been a priority right now, so trying to get that squared away. And yeah, there's the paddle boat. We haven't taken it out in a while. Hopefully we'll get it out this year. That would be fun. So that's the shop. Always more tools, always more stuff. I do rent this out on diyshopfinder, so sometimes I have people in here working on stuff, so I have to move stuff around quite a bit to keep it clean. That's a kind of a blessing and a curse, mostly a blessing because I can get extra money using DIY shop finder, but you know, I do have to move my projects around every so often whenever I rent it out. On the other hand, it helps me keep my shop a lot cleaner and keep my tools more organized so that people can come in and use them. So, all right, thanks for watching, and maybe next time I'll start the Mustang and hear it run. Thank you.